In this video, we'll be going over how to use the Members module in the Tomahawk CMS system. After navigating to the Members module, you will see the List Members page. Here you can see all of the different members that you have on your website, as well as search for members if you have a large number. The List Members page also allows you to perform bulk actions for your members. This allows you to do different things to multiple members at the same time without having to edit individual ones. You can also search for specific members using the 4 different criteria if you have too many members to display on one page. Clicking on the Profile button allows you to edit your member, and we'll touch more on that later. On the Add Member page, you can create a new member from scratch. From the Identity panel, you can choose a member's username and their first and last name as well. From the Access panel, you can choose whether or not a member is enabled on your site and whether they are a guest member, which means they can't edit their profile. You can also choose what their username is as well as what their password is. The Contact panel allows you to choose their email as well as their mobile phone number if you need to change these things. The Subscription panel is one of the many ways you can choose which groups you'd like this member to be in. Once you're finished creating your member, you can click Insert New to save your changes. You can also choose to log in as this user to see what the member side looks from the user's perspective. If you go to the List Members page and click on Profile for any of your members, you can change any of the items that we just discussed. From the Bulk Import page, you can add multiple members at the same time from an Excel document. You can download a sample document that shows you what your document should look like, and you can also download a blank file where you can just enter your members' names into it. Clicking the Export List button will download an Excel document with all of your members inside of it. From the List Groups page, you can see any of the groups that you have created, as well as edit them and edit the users that are inside of them. Clicking on Users will bring you to a very easy to use menu where you can simply drag and drop members who you want in the group and who you want to take out of the group as well. From the Add Group menu, you can create a new group. You can choose the group's name, you can choose whether or not members are able to join on their own or whether they have to be invited. The Removable button allows you to choose whether or not members can leave on their own or if they have to request to leave. This can be useful if you have a forum moderator who you don't want to leave and then leave the position open. The Public description is what people will see about your group before they join, and the Notes is where you can put any extra information you need to remember about this group. Now if we move to the user side, you can see that they can choose to either log in with their username and password or create a new account if they don't have one. Once the user finishes entering in all this information, it will be emailed to the administrator of your website, who will then choose whether or not to allow the account to be created. They will then have access to the members area of your website. This has been our demonstration of the Tomahawk Members module. Thank you for watching.